Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, the Corporate Yogi. So today we will be learning meditation with the help of a simple breathing technique. But before we move ahead, let's just understand that what are the benefits of this technique or what this technique will help us achieve. As we all know that in our today's day-to-day lives, there's a lot of work pressure mounting upon us. To help us relieve of this work pressure, what we want to achieve is to move from a state of mindful to the state of mindfulness. So when I say the state of mindfulness, what I mean here is that one person should be aware about oneself whenever he's in the state of mindfulness. Okay, so there are some other benefits as well of this technique which will help you reduce your stress as well as control your anxiety, as well as it will help you maintain an emotional balance throughout the day while keeping you self-aware throughout the day. So now to begin with, let's just take a place wherein you are very much comfortable. Now this place at your home can be your chair, your sofa or your bed. Or you can take a place where I am sitting. Maybe you can sit in this position at any place in your house. Okay. All we want to do is we want to just keep our hands, our palms relaxed on our knees and our eyes closed. But do remember to keep your body posture straight so that what will happen is when the energy is flowing, it will flow right from the top to the bottom up to your belly. Okay, I relax my body. I keep my palms over here. You can choose to keep your legs like that, or if you are very comfortable with the complete Padmasana pose, you can keep it in the complete Padmasana pose. Now what I do is, I just close my eyes, I lift my face a little up. So what happens is, I can be able to put my focus on the temple between my eyebrows. Try to bring your focus over here on the temple. Okay, and now we slowly start breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While you do this, keep the focus on your breath. It's the life force within you. Do not try to exert yourself while you are breathing. Continue this exercise for the next 2 to 3 minutes. While you are done doing this for the next 2 to 3 minutes, now what you can do is you can start chanting the mantra Om. While you chant this mantra, remember one thing, that it will create a vibration inside your body. When you're saying Om, you'll feel the vibration in your throat going right down through your heart up to the belly. So we will now start chanting the mantra Om. Om. The last part of the Om is very important. Where you say the it's the humming sound that will create the vibration inside you. And this vibration creates a lot of positive energy around us. Let's try that again. Practice this exercise daily for around 6 to 7 minutes with the breathing exercise for 2 to 3 minutes. It will take you a total of 8 to 9 minutes of the exercise. While you do this daily, at a certain point, you'll realize the benefits that you're getting out of it. Thank you guys. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.